Have you ever stared at a mountain of textbooks days before a massive exam feeling completely paralyzed? You nervously flip through endless pages, suddenly realizing you must revise the entire syllabus in a few days, and cold panic sets in. If your revision feels like trying to drink water from a blasting firehouse, yeah, listen to me closely. Welcome to my podcast. I am Raghuram Bhatt, the memory coach on wheels. The topic of today's episode is three secrets to revise quickly. Well, before I reveal the ultimate blueprint for high speed revision, I want to take you back to my 10th standard in Kasargod. The classroom was perfectly quiet. My social studies teacher walked in holding a thick stack of test papers. My heart started to beat incredibly fast as he called out my name. I slowly stood up and walked to his wooden desk. He looked at me with a stern face and handed over my paper. Well, it was covered in bright red marks. I had failed my unit test. He openly reprimanded me right there in front of the entire class, stating that my academic performance was completely unacceptable. I walked back to my wooden bench, my eyes filling with the warm tears. My family had recently relocated, forcing my syllabus to switch entirely from Hindi medium to English medium. And worse, I had joined the school 3 full months later. Staring at the crushing mountain of historical dates, complex geographical maps, and deep political theories, I felt completely defeated. But sitting quietly in my room that evening, staring at those heavy textbooks, I made a firm decision. I was not going to let this massive syllabus crush my spirit. I realized that my core problem was not a lack of intelligence, it was a severe lack of strategy. I could not just repeatedly read pages over and over, yeah, hoping the data would magically stick in my brain. I needed a completely new system to process and revise information at lightning speed. So I changed my entire study pattern. I stopped reading and started decoding. By the time the final board exams arrived, I did not just pass, I scored a massive 80% in social studies. Well, years later, after a severe spinal cord injury left me completely paralyzed below my shoulders, I used these exact principles to become a certified memory coach, memorizing all 195 official countries with their capitals. Well, my physical disability is in my body and it is not in my mind. Friends, your brain has infinite potential. If you are struggling to revise a massive syllabus for the UPSC, CA, or NEET exams, you do not need more hours in the day. You just need a better operating system. That's it. And here are three absolute secrets to revise entire subjects quickly. Secret number one: compress information into memory triggers. Imagine trying to carry 10 heavy suitcases through an airport. Well, it is physically close to impossible, right? You will quickly collapse. That is exactly what you are doing with your brain when you try to revise a textbook word for word. It is far too heavy, bro. If you need to become a master of rapid, you need to become a master of rapid data compression. When you revise, you must compress massive paragraphs into tiny, powerful memory triggers. Take a complex 10-step biological process and extract one critical keyword for every step. That's it, one critical keyword. Then take the first letter of those 10 words and create a weird acronym or something like that. Yeah. You are no longer carrying 10 heavy suitcases or raw text now. You are carrying one lightweight key that instantly locks all 10 suitcases in the exam hall. Are you getting it? Now let's come to secret number 2. Use active recall revision instead of reading revision. The most dangerous trap in the academic world is passive reading. You open your notes, scan the highlighted lines, and think you know it. That is an absolute illusion, my friend. Recognizing information is not same as recalling information. Are you getting it? To revise quickly and permanently, you must use active recall. Close the book completely, stare at a blank wall, force your brain to generate the information entirely from scratch. Speak the concepts out loud. Draw the mind map on a blank piece of paper. Well, it will feel painful, it will feel frustrating, but that mental friction is the exact physical sensation of your brain building a permanent neural pathway. So, stop pushing data in. Start pulling data out. Now let's come to secret number 3. Build a revision system, not revision motivation. Yeah? See, motivation is a myth. Motivation will abandon you at 2 in the morning when you are tired, stressed, and terrified of your upcoming exam. If you rely on feeling motivated to revise, you will inevitably fail. High performers do not rely on feelings. They rely on strict, unbreakable systems. You must build a mechanical revision schedule. Implement a spaced revision calendar where you review your memory triggers 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days after your initial study session. Okay? Treat this calendar like an absolute law. When it is time to revise, you sit down and execute the active recall process, regardless of how you feel. My friends, systems generate success. Well, you have the power to transform your academic reality. And I know exactly how hard it can be, but I know you can definitely do it. Let's make our memory our superpower. Drop a comment below right now and tell me which of these 3 secrets will you use today. And I will catch you up in the next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.